How you doing, everybody? I am Scott Jelinek, and I am sitting here with Ann and Tarik celebrating our first deal. However, this time we are not having margaritas. It was lunchtime, so we just had a margarita pizza.
Hello.
So they just got their very first check for $7,000, first check on the wholesale deal. And I want them to tell you a little bit about how they, first off, if you tell them how you got it.
Okay, there's this lady on Marketplace. She posted her property like some time back, and I started a messages with her, like trying to come up with a deal with her. And then she drew out the property out of the Marketplace, and I kept following up with her, and she said, okay, I have another property, not this one, if you are interested. I said, okay, let's see it. I went to the property, I've seen it, I liked it, I made my offer. We had to negotiate like a couple of times. Thanks to Scott, like as always, is a great help. We came to the final price, and then I went to her and we signed that contract, and Scott has everything else, yeah.
So one last thing I have to tell you, and I'm going to make her tell you. So she was just telling us a story about how she ended up having to buy silverware from this person in order to make the deal happen, which was a great story. So I'm going to have her give you the short version of it just for your own entertainment. So go ahead, tell me about the silverware.
Okay, when I called her about the property, she said, okay, do you know somebody who would be interested in buying the silverware? I said, I'll come to your place and look at it. So I went to her place. She showed me the silverware, and I took a picture. I said, I'm gonna look for somebody to sell it for you. Then when I went back home, I was trying to make the offer, and she was talking about the silverware. Like she was asking me, did you find somebody to buy the silverware? And then I have to negotiate buying the silverware, and we agreed to get it. So she said, okay, can you bring me the money for the silverware now, and we talk later on about the contract? And I said, okay, you know what, I cannot drive all the way back to Hampton now, so take your time, and when you're ready I can bring in the money for the silverware and the contract and come to your place. And then she messaged me 5 minutes later, and she said, you know what, okay, I think I'm gonna do it today, so just bring that money and come. And that's how I got the contract, and I paid her for the silverware. Yeah. Yes.
And she actually has a second contract from the same seller right now. So it goes to prove a couple things. First of all, do something, which she did. She was contacting people off the Facebook Marketplace, and customer service. She bought silverware to make this deal happen. So, and probably got a great steal on the silverware too, but that's beside the point. So anyway, we just wanted to share that with you. Congratulations. Do you have anything to share? We cut you out.
No, it's all right. I mean, it's been a nice ride. I mean, we learned a lot from you, Scott, and to know that follow-up is great. Follow-up works. It does work, and we managed to get the deal, and we're happy, and we're going to look for more. Definitely.
It's real. It's real. It's real. It happens. Yeah.
Thank you for watching, and we'll see you on the next video.